We've said before in previous videos, all Arkansas state parks are free. So today we're exploring a new one. This one's Petit Jean State Park. It's got like waterfalls and like a natural bridge and all kinds of cool stuff. So we're gonna start at the Cedar Creek Falls. It's a short little like boardwalk trail that leads down to it. So we're gonna go check that one out first. All right, so we are starting at the upper Overlook. We're looking down though, and it looks like you can go down to it. So we're definitely gonna do that. But this waterfall is wild. This is the biggest one we've seen so far in Arkansas. So we're still trying to get to the bottom of the waterfall, but we're gonna do the Seven Hollows Trail now instead and then go find that. But there's like a natural bridge along this and like a cave and stuff. So it looks pretty cool.
All right, so we made it to the natural bridge. It's really cool. It's actually really big.
So definitely if you come to this park, visit the natural bridge. It is the coolest little thing. It looks like small in this video, but it's actually pretty huge. Look at these rocks. I have never seen anything like this. Like, there's these like squares and they go like all throughout this little like canyon thing.
There's one like right above your head that's really cool too.
That one?
Yeah, that one's super cool.
And that one?
Yeah.
Wow, this is so cool. This is like a little spur off the Seven Hollows Trail. I think on the AllTrails map it's called Bear Cave. And it's this little like cave thing right over here. But even this is pretty cool. And it has all the same like rocks up in here too.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, really neat. All right, let me tell you what. We've been to, I think this is our 6th Arkansas State Park this week because they're all free. We've been like ranting and raving about them, but
Yeah.
this is definitely the nicest one. It is
Yeah.
so nice. We actually went in and talked to the ranger and she was really nice.
Yeah.
And she gave us like a whole like drawn map of how to get down to the waterfall. It's 1 mile down and 1 mile up, so it should be a nice little trail, but
but
we're really excited.
Petit Jean, I don't know if we said that.
We did say in the beginning, but
Yeah,
you can.
Petit Jean.
We're gonna reiterate. Go to the state park.
But we're in their like exhibit hall and it's really nice. And
Yeah, and there's like
lake.
a whole little lake out there. It is so beautiful here. Wow. All right, well, we made it to the waterfall. I don't think anyone else is here. We're gonna go get closer to it now, but my goodness, it was cool from above, but from below it is like incredible, and we're not even near it yet. So as always, I will leave the links to all the trails that we're doing in the description below, just in case you ever come out this way and you want to do the same like trails that we're doing. Alrighty, that's it for Petit Jean State Park. We're gonna head into town and then head back to where our RV is parked. We'll give you a little like tour of our campground tonight too in the video. It's a cute little spot.
It's another one of those
Army
Corps of Engineering.
We've been saying a lot of Corps of Engineering ones because they're
Yeah.
so much cheaper.
And they're nice too.
Yeah, they're nice, honestly. Yeah. If you've been watching us though, you know we always have to take Dwight on walks and he's letting us know that it's his time now. We do have to fix our anode rod. We might do that today, but Dwight says he's got to walk first.
We do the shake test though.
Oh yeah, we do the shake test. We put him on the ground and we do the shake test. And then he's off. And yeah, he's doing exactly what he always does, which is walking along the wooden barriers. There are bald eagles out here, so he's a sizable boy. So we're gonna stay with him, but we would never be able to take Nico out here. Nico's too tiny. And then do not worry, we will be getting Nico a backpack at some point. He likes to look outside, but he's way too afraid to come out. So I think a backpack would be better.
We're gonna change this anode rod. I don't have a 1/2-inch ratchet, but I do have this 1/2-inch breaker bar, so we're just gonna use that. Don't judge me for how this anode rod's gonna look, so we'll see.
Yeah, please don't judge our anode rod. It's not gonna be pretty. We have not changed it in a year and something living in this. Ugh.
Oh, yeah, that's not good.
All right, I'm taking this opportunity to take a really stupid thumbnail photo to make it seem like everything's going wrong, but I think we're doing it right, but The new one is in, and I mean, we're gonna let the tank fill back up. We're at a place that has like semi-okay showers, and since we don't have sewers, we're just gonna take showers here, so we don't really need the hot water for now, but I guess time will tell. Maybe in the next video we'll turn the hot water heater back on, see if it works. All right, so ignore the puddle of water from the hot water tank, but this is our site we have right now. It's really nice. I mean, you got like a little fire pit. You got one of these things. We haven't actually figured out what these are for. We figured like maybe for a lantern, but you got this whole thing, and then ignore all the stuff on the table. And then we got this like beautiful view of the river. But anyway, this is called the Old Post Road Campground. It's like one of the Army Corps of Engineers one. It's in Russellville, Arkansas. It's actually pretty nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Just know if you do come though, this is a dry county, so if you want wine, you're gonna have to get it before you come here.
Yeah, and
or beer or anything.
And it's
but...
not too far from that state park.
Oh yeah, it's not far from the state park we were at earlier in the video.
Yeah, the Petit Jean State Park.
Yeah. It was about a half an hour from there.
Which is a really cool state park.
Yeah, actually,
honestly,
like,
one of my favorites.
Gold Star Hall of Fame, like one of my favorite national parks of all of our RV travels. Oh God, state parks. Yeah, state park. I don't know what I'm saying. One of my favorite state parks along all of our travels.
Yeah.
We're not sure what's going on, and we're really afraid we're gonna get pooped on, but there are like so many birds. I'm kind of walking fast. There's a lot of like bird poop on the ground here. Oh no. I'm not trying to have that happen to me. It's like my worst nightmare. We walked down to the river right outside our campground, and it's so pretty. It's a nice little sunset spot. All right, so we are officially crossing the Mississippi into Tennessee now. So there is Memphis. There's the giant Bass Pro Shop pyramid, the infamous. And there's the Mississippi. All right, good morning from a somewhat sketchy RV spot that we spent the night in last night in the middle of nowhere, Tennessee. It's fine, we got through the night, but...
Yeah, it's mostly fine.
It's mostly fine, yeah. But like the hookups were like really sketchy and had like weird like...
I'll have to show it to you because like I was kind of scared to like plug in our RV because the box looks kind of janky.
Yeah, we have a surge protector, thank God. But yeah, we'll show you that, and then we're on our way towards Nashville right now. Also, we didn't unhitch, and we like just barely fit in the spot without unhitching. And somehow it was perfectly level though, but it was like 19 degrees or is 19 degrees outside right now, so it is absolutely freezing. And we didn't want to open the slide out, so it's like a little chaotic in here, so we just had to open it literally enough to like uncover our heat vents. The cats are really confused, and it's like extremely chaotic in here, so we're gonna head out now and just move on to a full hookup spot for a little while and actually like clean the rig, which we haven't done in a long time.
All right, so this is the electrical box that I was talking about. It's not my favorite, so
it's not great.
Yeah, and then the bucket over here is just like covering up with like fiberglass insulation, so that's probably not the best.
All right, so like our relish exploded in the RV fridge, yeah. And there's pickle juice on everything. Ew, and he wants to drink the Spindrift, but there's like pickle juice all over it.
It's just off-putting to be drinking like a fruity Spindrift when it like smells like pickle juice.
Yeah, it smells like relish and like sweet relish. Yuck. The real great thing about living in an RV though is our bathroom is just with us all the time. And I have to pee, so we're parked at some weird truck. Ugh, God, I can never open that door. We're parked at some like weird like truck parking area, and gonna run in and get a snack and everything. So it's nice. I don't have to go to like a creepy rest stop.